In today's video, I will show you a simple way to get started using dynamic Web TWAIN. Once you learn the basics, you can use it to embed scanning into your web applications with ease. We'll open our development tool and start a new web page project. What we're going to do is create a Hello World type application using dynamic Web TWAIN. The first thing that we're going to do is create a title. We'll also add the resources we'll be using for our project. The resources we need will be installed on our computer when we install our 30-day trial. By default, they are located in the C drive, Program Files x86, Dynamsoft, and then the latest version of the trial. In our case, we'll be using version 15.1. What we need to do is copy the resources folder and paste it into our Hello World project folder. Just find the project folder and paste it in. Next, we'll add some initialization and configuration scripts. Now what we'll do is create a button that users can click to acquire an image. Now that we have our button, let's fill in the details of the acquire image function. And that's it! We can save our project and see what we've built. We can launch our web application, click the scan button, and select which imaging device we want to use. I will be using a virtual scanner. If you'd also like to use a virtual scanner, I will put the link in the description below. And there's our image displayed nicely. That's it for our Hello World demonstration of dynamic Web TWAIN. To learn more advanced functionality, such as how to upload images to a web server, or how to edit images that you scan in, please visit our website at dynamsoft.com. Thanks for watching!